Plumbing or drainage issues ruining your day? Even small problems can become a big hassle over time. Do escalating issues make you feel like finding a solution is difficult and complicated? With GeoHome, everything is now easier, more accessible, and closer than ever. GeoHome Real Estate Investment and General Maintenance has the perfect solution for all your property concerns. Instant maintenance services include air conditioning, plumbing, electrical work, painting, tiling. Annual maintenance contracts cover villas, buildings, clubs, hospitals, clinics, schools, malls, hotels, companies, farms. Competitive prices with world-class quality. Contact us today and let us take care of everything.